Unit 1. Practical. Determining the average speed of a cylinder rolling down a ramp. During this practical experiment, we will determine the average speed and acceleration of a wooden cylinder as it rolls down an inclined plane. Investigate your reaction time. Set your stopwatch to 0. Switch the stopwatch on and off as fast as you can and record the reading in the results table. Repeat these steps for 3 times and find the mean value for your reaction time. To find the mean value, add all the values and divide the answer by the number of readings. Record this value in the results table. Calculate the percentage uncertainty in the reading in the given figure using your value for the mean time. Percentage uncertainty is calculated by dividing 3 values of stopwatch times, each of error margin 0.01 seconds, by the mean time. Part 2. Place the cylinder near the top of the wooden board and measure the distance it will travel down the board when it is released. Record this value in the results table. Release the cylinder and measure the time it takes to roll down the ramp. Repeat the process and find the mean value, which is more accurate, and record this time in the results table. Calculate the velocity of the cylinder as it rolls down the slope by using the distance time formula. Use the protractor or any other appropriate device to measure the angle the wooden board makes with the horizontal surface and record the angle theta in the results table. Adjust the height of the ramp and repeat the process until you have at least 7 accurate readings for time and theta. Complete the results table. Plot a graph of V on the y-axis and t sine theta on the x-axis. Draw the line of best fit through valid points and determine the gradient of the graph. The gradient of the graph will be the acceleration of the cylinder as it rolls down the inclined plane.